Hey everybody, I'm Lisa Rowberry, your independent Scentsy consultant. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to finish out this series where I am sharing my favorite scents per room or area in your life. So I say area because today I'm going to talk about car fragrances. I feel like that's important because we spend a lot of time in our cars, right? So you may as well like the way your car smells. And the cars in our family are very important to us, and we like to have our cars smelling really good. So I'm gonna share that with you last. But first, we're gonna go to the laundry room. I'm gonna share six of my favorite fragrances for the laundry room. I have to say, this particular series was really beneficial for me because I realized I was out of quite a few actual physical bars of some of my favorites. So thanks, guys. So the first scent that I'd like to talk about for the laundry room would have to be Clothesline. Oh my gosh, this scent, you guys. If you like powerhouse, crazy strong scents, you gotta pick this up. And especially if you love that like clean kind of laundry fragrance, this is gonna be a must-have for you. You can stick one cube in your warmer and your neighbor 4 blocks down is gonna be like, hey, are you guys doing laundry? It smells great. It's so funny. It's so strong. Love this one though. And obviously very perfect for the laundry room. This is it's a very sweet floral meets clean laundry. And I know that may sound kind of strange, but oh, it's so good. I really like this. And like I said, I love the fact that it performs like a champ. It's fantastic. So let me tell you what Scentsy says about this. And then I'm actually gonna tell you about a difference in the next scent that I'm gonna talk about. First, let's get to Clothesline. So Clothesline is a bestseller, is a bestseller, and I do know, I can see why. But Scentsy says, crisp greens, orange flower, creamy violet, and white wicker basket will let you savor the scent of just washed laundry. So that's what it is. You get that sweet floral, but it meets that clean, warm cotton scent. I just love this so much. So that is Clothesline, a definite must for the laundry room for sure. And I can't believe that I don't have any bars on hand. I was like, oh my gosh, I thought I had some bars. Time to place an order. So the next scent I want to talk about is called Clean Breeze. Now, a lot of times I will get questions from customers saying, okay, so what's the difference between By the Sea, Clean Breeze, Clothesline? Like I like clean fragrances, so tell me what the differences are. And what I would say between Clean Breeze and Clothesline has that sweeter kind of floral top note, whereas Clean Breeze does not have that floral at all. It's exactly what you would expect laundry to smell like. Just fresh out of the dryer laundry. That's all it is for me. Let me tell you what Scentsy says. Clean Breeze, white floral. So this still says floral, but I get more of its Clothesline is much sweeter, if that makes sense. It's not sweeter in a sense of like a cupcake, but it's just sweeter. I don't know how else to put it. But Scentsy says about Clean Breeze, white florals with a touch of spring. This is the scent of fresh, clean laundry. So very simply put, Clean Breeze is a must for the laundry room. Okay, what else did I have here? By the Sea. This is another really great one. And I know that this one was in another category. Where else did I put this? The bathroom. Yes, I put this in the bathroom as well. But this is honestly really good for basically any area of the house, especially if you are a fan of just simple, clean fragrances. This to me, as I mentioned before, is just like ocean air almost. There is a little bit of that green or, like I said, like an aquatic note to it, but it's just simple and clean and cool and fresh. So I feel like that's perfect, pretty perfect for the laundry room as well. Scentsy says, the scent of ocean air wafting through dewy seaside grass. So that is By the Sea. Love that one. And then another one that's a repeat. Actually, the next two are repeats, but I can't help myself. Pink cotton. I love pink cotton. You guys know I love pink cotton. And this one was one that I know, excuse me, I know I mentioned before. On cold, I liked it. But when I warmed it, it just knocked my socks off, so to speak. Since we're talking about the laundry room, this is so nice. It is that like clean cotton kind of scent, but it's so much more than that. So much more complex, because you have this like sweetness of like a fruity berry meets cotton. And I know that that sounds kind of crazy, but just take my word on it and give this a try. It is so, so nice. I love it. And this is another one that I would say is probably good for any area of the house. Excuse me. I don't know what is in my throat. This would be good for any area of the house, but definitely a good fit for the laundry room. Next is Jammy Time. And this one I thought for sure I had in a bar, but I think I don't keep a ton of bars on hand of Jammy Time. Honestly, we use Jammy Time for all of our towels and our sheets and comforter and all of that. So I'm getting the Jammy Time actually in my laundry, which you guys know is one of my favorite scents. This is just like a sweet pea and like, and this is also a very close dupe. If you have been with Scentsy for a little bit, Fuzzy Blanket, this was very, very close to Fuzzy Blanket. I feel like this was just like reformulated and made into Jammy Time, which I think this is actually nicer. So I like this a lot. It's another really sweet floral. So Scentsy says, drift into dreamland with baby freesia, lavender, and sweet pea. So it's just that really sweet floral that I really like. So that is Jammy Time. And then last but most certainly not least is another favorite, another repeat, and that is Harbor's Edge. And this one was a scent of the month from August, but it is still currently available to purchase. So if you didn't pick this one up, it is still available. Go ahead and add it to a 6-pack, 3-pack, whatever, but this is definitely really nice as well. And this is another sweet floral, but it's more of that like aquatic. It's almost like if By the Sea had a little bit, had more like floral notes to it. Yes, sweeter floral than By the Sea. By the Sea is just gonna be that like ocean air, clean, simple scent. This is more floral. Love this one so much, so much. My husband really likes this one too. So this is Harbor's Edge. So that is going to round out the scents for the laundry room. Now let's go to the car. So my husband is very, very simple, and he's just like, I just need one scent for the rest of my life for my car. So just make sure we're always set with that. And that is aloe, water, and cucumber in a scent circle. He prefers the scent circles. They don't last quite as long. And I'm talking in comparison to a car bar. So I prefer the car bars. He prefers scent circles. Honestly though, the aloe, water, and cucumber scent circle is actually a pretty good performer. He hangs it in his work vehicle, is all the way in the back, like 3rd row, like because he doesn't want it too strong and he doesn't want anything hanging from his mirror. So he puts it all the way in the back. But there are times when I can smell it just like wafting through the garage. I'm just like, how is it that strong? It's a scent circle. But this does really well, and he loves this scent. So this will forever be his like signature car scent. So that's aloe, water, and cucumber. For me, I decided to choose 3, but my number 1 always and forever will always be Snowberry. No matter what time of year, and I know that's so weird, but no matter what time of year, I'm always gonna go for Snowberry. I love this so much, and it's red, so it matches my car. So I like that too. But Snowberry is a really good, sweet winterberry scent. I love this so much. And honestly, because it is like my signature car fragrance, I don't really warm this in wax, although it is beautiful. So if you like those like cool winterberry kind of scents, definitely give this a try in wax form. But it's just that my nose is like, well, then I'm gonna feel like I'm in my car, and I love my car, but it's just, I like my scents to be very like separate. You know, my cleaning fragrances, I can't warm in wax form. My car fragrances, I can't warm in wax form. So that's just, I'm just quirky like that. So in fact, though, my husband, he was sniffing through some testers and he sniffed this and he was like, that smells like your car. And I was like, yes, score. So yeah, so that is Snowberry is definitely my number one pick, but I also have two others that I would like to mention, and that is Weathered Leather. And this just smells like, well, and this is very different for very, very many people. This to me just reminds me, I used to work at the Men's Warehouse years ago, and this just reminds me of going in the back shoe room to grab shoes for people. And that's just, it just smells like leather shoes to me. So this brings me back to those days, which are very happy memories. So I love that. I don't mind it. My husband thinks it smells like plastic. He's like, so when I have had this going in my car, he's like, oh, like it's too strong and it just smells like plastic. This is horrible. Get this out of here. He's not a fan, but I really like it. So that is available in wax form as well. So if you like that kind of leathery scent, this is available in bar form, but you can also get it either in a scent circle or car bar as well. Last but most certainly not least, you can't go wrong with just a simple vanilla fragrance, right? So I chose Vanilla Bean Buttercream for my last fragrance that I would choose for the car. And I love this. It's just very simple, rich vanilla frosting almost. Oh, it's so good. It's rich and it's vanilla and it's decadent and I love it. So if you want your car to smell like a vanilla bean buttercream, then this is definitely for you. So love that so much. That is also available in car bar or scent circle as well. So there you have it. That is our series of doing my top picks for scents in different areas of your house and of your life. So I hope this was helpful. I have loved hearing from you guys to see what your favorite picks are for each individual area. So let me know what your favorite picks are for the laundry room and what your picks are for your car. So I would love to hear. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new, please subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.